In an interconnected world, social divisions fracture societies and hinder progress. These divisions, rooted in ethnicity, religion, ideology, or socioeconomic status, create barriers to understanding and cooperation. They fuel conflict, undermine trust, and impede our ability to address global challenges. Polarization and mistrust hinder meaningful dialogue and collaborative problem solving. The rise of misinformation exacerbates these divisions, making it harder to find common ground. The erosion of social cohesion weakens societies, leaving them vulnerable to instability and conflict. The initiative Humanity Uniting emerges as a timely response to this global challenge. It represents a collective call for unity, urging individuals, communities, and nations to transcend their differences and work together towards a shared future. Humanity Uniting is more than a slogan. It's a movement for a world where differences are celebrated. It's a call to action, inspiring individuals and organizations to work towards a more inclusive future. This initiative recognizes that true progress can only be achieved through collective effort. By fostering dialogue and understanding, Humanity Uniting seeks to create a world where everyone feels a sense of belonging. The core principles center around empathy, compassion, and respect for human dignity. Humanity Uniting provides a platform for individuals and communities to connect, share their stories, and build bridges of understanding. It empowers people to become agents of change in their own communities, promoting tolerance, acceptance, and respect for diversity. World leaders are recognizing the urgent need for unity and are actively working to bridge divides. Through impactful speeches, initiatives, and policies, they champion the cause of Humanity Uniting. Their leadership inspires and mobilizes individuals and communities to embrace inclusivity and cooperation. From the United Nations General Assembly to regional summits, leaders advocate for unity and understanding. They highlight the importance of intercultural dialogue, education, and collaboration in building cohesive societies. Notable figures like the UN Secretary General emphasize the importance of multilateralism and international cooperation. Numerous initiatives have been launched to promote unity and address social divisions. By investing in education, intercultural dialogue, and community engagement, governments and organizations work to build more inclusive societies. Building a harmonious future requires a collective effort. Each of us has a role in fostering unity and understanding within our communities and beyond. By embracing diversity, challenging prejudice, and promoting inclusivity, we can create a more just and peaceful world. Simple acts of kindness, empathy, and respect can create positive change in our surroundings. By engaging in meaningful dialogue and seeking common ground, we can bridge divides and build stronger relationships. Education plays a vital role in fostering unity, empowering us to challenge stereotypes and celebrate human diversity. By embracing the principles of Humanity Uniting, we can create a world where everyone feels a sense of belonging, where peace and understanding prevail.